So this is how easy you can open any folder on your PC with just one key press. Instead of opening this folder manually, I can just press F3 and it opens. This is how it looks. That's everything. I press F3, it runs, and then the location of the folder, which you can get from here. You just copy this, put it in here, return, done. Now you have to run this thing. So how you can run this is you can click on Tools, Run As, and then Run As ANSI, or just use the hotkeys here. How you can see if it's running is you have to have the symbol and the name of your file here that you hopefully saved somewhere and gave it a name. If we want to create a completely new shortcut, for example, for video editing purposes, I very often have to go into this folder, then this one, then this, for example, this, and then I can see my thumbnails here. I want to see the video footage, or I need to click here for some B-roll for video editing. It's very, very tedious to do it all the time. So what I can do easily every single time if I edit a new video, I just copy this here, close the entire folder. I just put this in here and put a run before. Save. Don't forget to run this again. And now, when I press F4, boom, this folder opens. Can you see how much time this saves? AutoHotkey is just genius. If you don't use it, start using it. It's genuinely a huge time saver. And then the next thing is, you can of course have F5, F6, F7, hotkeys everywhere for everything. You can have Shift F5, Shift F6, etc., etc. See? So you can have multiple folders. And in the next video, I'll show you how to open software, so actually a program with AutoHotkey. So not only can you open folders, now you can also open programs, which is pretty nice. Then you can open, for example, Premiere Pro, Photoshop, or whatever program you want to start, After Effects, with just one click of a button, which is pretty nice. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please consider leaving a like. And also subscribe if you're curious to see what else is possible with AHK. Thanks, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.